Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Centene. It is time for another update, and on the long time frame we have been tracking this idea of an impulse that is developing to the upside, where so far we have completed the wave 1, the wave 2 down here, the third wave up, a fourth wave down. Well, technically from a large time frame perspective, this wave 4 could be complete. We even reached the ideal target for the 38.2% retracement for wave 4, but internally I have to say I am still expecting at least another low. But then I would still be looking for continuation in the fifth wave to the upside as long as we hold support for the wave 4 in this area that we have between the $44 level down to the $18 level. Now, a break below the 50% retracement here would be an invalidation of this scenario that we are tracking, and in that case, yeah, a sustained break below the $18 level would force us really to shift scenarios to something that isn't necessarily more bearish, but it would not be anywhere close to the quality of the trade setup that we have at hand right now. So the trade setup that we would have to track in that case would be a lot less likely to work out than what we have here. So yeah, the probabilities would shift unfavorably, suggesting that we might need to consider a stop loss somewhere below the 50% retracement here. But there is even a chance, as I was saying, that this fourth wave could have completed, and in that case the first target for the wave 5 would be the $135 level. But before we look for that idea, we should really track and ensure that we have the wave 4 complete here. Now, in this correction I have been tracking it as an idea of an ABC pattern developing. Now, in this case, I would still need quite a few more lows for the C wave to be complete, where, okay, we could have a 1, 2, 1, 2, or yeah, even a 1, 2, 1, 2 in this case would be fine. A third wave down, and then after that we still need an additional 4, 5, 4, 5, but that would really be after we complete the next fifth wave that has not even, that hasn't completed yet, but might have actually started. Now, I'm saying that I need at least one more low to have a full count, because it really could be a different interpretation than the ABC pattern, where in the wave C I do need to have a 5-wave move. It really could turn out to be a WXY correction, where in the wave Y I could really consider this movement as a wave A, then this could be a wave B up, and with this movement down it could be a C wave complete, and then we would have a fourth wave complete. Now, as you may see, also in this case I am still expecting another low in this area in the support zone, but it is not guaranteed. And if you really are interested in this stock, if you look from the long time frame perspective, we are very much well within the support zone, and we have quite a lot of upside potential still possible, so still over 300% from the current level we are at. Now, internally here I provided you a resistance zone a couple of videos ago actually, where I was looking for a retracement within this fourth wave in between the $31.4 level up to the $40 level at the 50% retracement. And again, we got to the 38.2% retracement, the ideal target for wave 4, also within an ABC structure, so clearly a 3-wave move so far. And we already had a pretty strong reaction that could even really be the fifth wave to the downside that would now be unfolding. Now, technically this could still extend, this fourth wave could reset, and yeah, this could turn out to be something like this, but I am prepared still for the direct continuation case. This idea of a continuation to the upside within this ABC pattern would really be within the white scenario, where it would really be a reset of the wave 4, but then I would still be looking for a fifth wave to the downside. What I would really need to look for the more bullish scenario, where we could have bottomed within the wave 4 here, would be a more complete 5-wave move to the upside, a correction in 3 waves, and yeah, if we manage to find support, then I would be looking of course, for the next 5-wave move, a smaller one, an additional 3-wave move in a wave 2. So a couple 1-2-1-2 setups that would then allow an even more reliable entry for upside potential. But those are hard to come by, where those are pretty clear structures, and they do have really good risk-reward ratios and entry possibilities, but we might not always get them at the moment. I am still looking for continuation to the downside, as long as we stay above this support zone that we have here for the wave B, that goes all the way down to the 78.6% retracement at the $27 level. We do still have decently high probabilities to form another high within the wave C resetting, that's the wave 4, but a break below this level would be an indication that the 5th wave is even more likely to have started. Now, it is a correction, and those are often very messy, so this could still turn out to be just really an A wave up, still a B wave that could even push and form a new local low, and then still form a C wave to the upside that would take us back into the support zone. So it is rather a probability indication, this support zone that we have here in yellow, rather than an invalidation of the idea for a wave B and a C wave to take us even higher. And for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup, and I'm talking about the long time frame for the setup here. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.